The first time I started making videos on YouTube was 3 years ago. I want to share a memory with you every day. Stay with me. Honestly, I live in an area that is full of restrictions. Here, no one understands you, and everyone was disrespecting me and showing my work as pointless and pointless. In short, after 3 years of trying and failing several of my channels, I was finally able to develop this channel and be seen. This is the first time that I talk about my past here. Tears gather in my eyes when I review people's words. Now I am happy that I have found success, even if it is small. I am glad that I could talk to you. I want to tell you that if the whole world says that what you are doing is not possible, if you still think that it can be done, then continue. Believe in yourself that one day your dream will come true. Know it and start working. It's enough no matter how much you consider your dream to be ignored and impossible.